I think the customer service is what does it, because for me, we run our business a little bit different than some other businesses, and what we found is they are willing to work with us and willing to make changes to kind of mirror our business. So it worked out really well for us. So I think one of the best aspects that the company brings is the hands-on, they care about my business. That's number one. And the rest is easy after that, you know, because I can tell that they want me to succeed and our business to succeed as much as they want to succeed. So it's a win-win for both teams. So the last 3 years, we have exceeded our goals, and we also throw out stretch objectives. You know, going through the COVID thing, we weren't really sure how we would do. You know, what has transpired is with the more eyes that are at home, our business has exploded in the last 3 years. I love the widget page because I didn't have that widget page with the other software that I had. I know that, and I trust what they have on there is correct. And so I can manage my business long-term for success based on what I have in front of me just by looking at one screen. It's really great.